Welcome to Cloud Built Right. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to register a domain name using Amazon Route 53. I have already logged into the AWS console. If you're new here, you can check my video on how to create an AWS account. In the search bar, you can look for Route 53. As you can see here, Route 53 is a scalable DNS and domain name registration service. Click on it. In the Route 53 dashboard, click on Registered Domains in the left-hand menu and then click on Registered Domain. Enter the domain name you wish to register. Route 53 will check if the domain is available. If it's available, you can proceed to the next step. If not, you'll need to try a different name or variation. These are all the suggested domains available and the prices associated with them. These prices are for a year. You can choose any one. I'll go ahead with .com, which would cost me $14 for a year. Select and then proceed to checkout. There is an option to auto-renew after a year. You can either keep it on or off. Fill in the required contact information for the domain registration. For contact type, if you are an individual, select person, then enter remaining information. For admin contact, tech contact and billing contact, you can select same as registrant contact. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will be used for domain ownership verification. Next, turn on privacy protection so that your contact information is hidden from whois queries. Then review your order. Double check the domain name and contact information. If everything looks good, click on Submit to purchase. After purchasing, you can go to the Route 53 dashboard. Click on Requests in the left-hand menu. This shows the status of your domain registration. I want to give an important pointer here. Don't try to register a domain name immediately after creating your AWS account. I suggest you to give a day or so. When I tried to register a domain name immediately after creating my AWS account, it failed and then I had to contact the AWS customer support to get it rectified. In case for any reason your domain registration fails, just contact the customer support. Once your domain is registered, it shows successful here and also it will appear under registered domains. You can also check under hosted zones to see your domain name and the two records created for it. And that's it. You have successfully registered a domain name using Amazon Route 53. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more AWS tutorials. See you next time.